can Donald Trump just dismantle the CFPB? In other words, abolish it? No, because politics kind of works like chess, and there are political and legal barriers eliminating the CFPB from just being abolished. Number one is that anything that the Republicans want, the Democrats will just oppose it. Another thing is that Donald Trump can only fire a director of the CFPB and replace it with someone, that fits his campaign policies. And he already did that, but he can't abolish it because of the fact that he doesn't have the unilateral power to do it, because the CFPB was enacted from the Dodd-Frank Act, which makes it federal law. And the only way to really get rid of this would be if Congress passes through legislation. And, you might say that, he can influence legislation, but because they're kind of short on votes. He tried to get the Supreme Court to go after them in March of last year, I believe, but the Supreme Court reaffirmed that the CFPB's ability to draw 12% of the Federal Reserve's budget deemed, within the constitutional limits of it, so it's fine. And they're not going to go back that route again. That's kind of stupid. You can't do the same thing, expect different results. I don't think Trump is that dumb. Another thing is that you got to be careful, because Elizabeth Warren created the CFPB, and all she has to do is create a filibuster. Now, what is a filibuster? You can Google that. So what are the odds and probability of, Donald Trump defunding the CFPB? Well, I just answered that question already. So is he going to use Rohit Chopra to just kind of like mess it up? Not really. Why he did that was just to help out his buddy Elon Musk, because they want to protect the big tech sector, as the CFPB before was criticized as being overreaching and like just going after big tech people. And they just wanted to stop that. And basically, credit repair, and, like, how does this relate to credit repair? It doesn't, because it's, credit repair and credit reporting doesn't fall within the big tech sector. So it's kind of like left. So don't worry, your consumer rights are not going to be violated or anything. You can keep on disputing with the CFPB if you like. However, you probably didn't know this, there are state agency bureau alternatives that actually have more power than the CFPB. And I'm not talking about the state attorney general.